Hey guys, this is a tutorial and guide on how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy A5. This procedure also works with all other Samsung Galaxy models, including the Galaxy Note, Galaxy S7, and etc. Now this phone is originally from Rogers, and our goal is to unlock it so we can use it with the Bell SIM card and all other GSM SIM cards once the phone is unlocked. So now the phone is locked to Rogers, and we currently have a Rogers SIM card inside. So obviously the phone is going to work with the Rogers SIM card. So now what I'm going to show you is what it looks like when the phone is accepting the SIM card. So we're just going to go to Settings, and we're going to scroll down and go to About Device, and we want to click on Status, and under Mobile Network it shows that it's Rogers. So the phone is Rogers and there's a Rogers SIM, so obviously the phone is detecting that it's from the Rogers network. So now what we're going to do is we're going to insert a Bell SIM card into this Rogers Galaxy A5, and we're going to show you what it looks like when we insert the SIM card here. Alright, so we're just going to pop the Bell SIM card in here, and it's going to make you reboot the device. So one thing I just want to go over is that the procedure that we use to unlock your Galaxy A5 is the exact same carrier that, the exact same method that your carrier will use, or if you go to a kiosk in the mall, it's the exact same method. So it's 100% safe, and it's not going to void your warranty. And once it's unlocked, it's factory unlocked, so you never have to insert an unlock code again to use this phone with a different SIM card. Okay, so the message shows invalid SIM card. Okay, so once we unlock it, that message is going to disappear. So let's swipe, and it's going to ask you to insert the SIM network unlock pin. So eventually we're going to insert the 8-digit unlock code here, and we'll get to that a little bit later. So the first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. We do that by going to the dial screen and pressing *#06#. This displays the 15-digit IMEI number, which is needed to get the unlock code for your device. Another way to get the phone's IMEI number on a Samsung Galaxy is going to Settings, and we're going to scroll down and go to About Device. And we're going to scroll down, scroll up, and go to Status. And there we go. We need that 15-digit IMEI number. So now we're going to get the unlock code for your device. Now to get the unlock code for your Samsung Galaxy A5, you can always try your carrier. Sometimes they'll charge you about $35 to $50 for the unlock code. However, in this case, we're using Cellunlocker.net, and the unlock code that is provided is the exact same unlock code that your carrier would send you. So let's go to www.Cellunlocker.net, and we're going to select Samsung, and we're going to scroll down. Just to let you know, there's certain carriers that cannot be unlocked because they are not GSM. So just double check that before you place your order. And let's select the model, which is Galaxy A5. And we're going to select the network your phone is currently locked to. So in this case, it's locked to Rogers. Not the network you want to use it on, but the network it's originally from. Okay, so now we're going to insert the IMEI number. So once again, we're going to press *#06#, and we're going to carefully input that IMEI number. Now you want to be very careful when you insert it, because if you insert the incorrect IMEI number and you place your order and there is an unlock code that comes back, there's a very good chance that that is somebody else's unlock code. Okay, so be very careful when you punch in the IMEI number, and we're going to hit look for code. Okay, so the system is just going to verify the IMEI number, make sure it's good for processing. And there we go. IMEI number is valid and ready for processing. So generally, the average turnaround time for these Samsung unlock codes is usually the same day. So let's just fill out the information here. And the unlock code is sent to you by email. Okay, so you don't have to actually go to physical location. Just place your order and the instructions and unlock code will be emailed to you. Okay, so let's just fill this out. Alright, so I successfully completed my order, and this is basically a summary of the payment. There's some information here on how to get your Samsung Galaxy A5 unlock code for free, and we'll explain that a little bit more in depth at the end of the video. So right now I'm just going to check my Gmail, and just to make sure that I've received a confirmation from Cellunlocker.net. And okay, it looks like we have an email here. Okay, so it's basically showing my order ID and the receipt. So all we have to do now is just wait for the unlock code to be sent to us by email, and we will be good to go to input it into our device. Alright, I've received the unlock code from Cellunlocker.net. It's been about 3 hours and they emailed the unlock code to me. So it's very fast, and the next step is we want to insert the network unlock code, which is the first unlock code. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a foreign SIM card. In this case, it's a Bell SIM card, and we want to get to that screen where it said SIM network unlock pin, and that's where we're going to insert this 8-digit unlock code. Okay, so we're just going to pop in the Bell SIM card there, and we will wait for the Galaxy A5 to restart. Keep in mind that every phone has a unique IMEI number, which means that it has a unique unlock code. So please do not try to use the unlock code given in the example here, as it will not work, and it will just be a waste of your time. Okay, so I've had people in the past ask me, oh, why is the unlock code given here in the example not working? Well, obviously it's not for your phone, so it's not going to work, right? So anyways, okay, so we got to the screen here where it says SIM network unlock pin, and let's insert the 8-digit unlock code that we received by email. Okay, Samsung unlock codes are always 8 digits. Okay, so if you see a longer digit, it's incorrect. So we're going to press unlock, and network unlock successful. So that looks like a good sign, and the phone has gone to the main screen now, and hopefully we should start to see signal bars from the Bell SIM card inserted. Okay, so normally it takes a couple minutes for the phone to start registering the new SIM card. And let's scroll down here, and we're going to go to About Device again. Okay, and let's click on Status. And the network is showing Bell. Okay, so the phone is now detecting the Bell SIM card. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a test call just to make sure that the phone is actually working. Alright, it looks like you're able to dial out, and your Galaxy A5 is now unlocked and ready to be used with the SIM card of your choice. Now, if you're interested in getting a Samsung Galaxy A5 unlock code for free, please like this video, subscribe to us, and then email us at promotions@Cellunlocker.net, and we will get back to you on how to get the unlock code for free. Thank you very much.